Look at that. Holy shit. If I was playing something that was Bach on euphonium or trumpet, my fingers would jump off the valve.
Oh, your left hand's worse. And then slowly bend your, because I can see that middle finger bending. We'll get to that. Yeah. And look, your thumb is not happy.
The thumb it's the one. See that?
Yeah. Well, let's see if we can turn it off then. It's the feeling of what we're doing. The brain at the moment's sending signals to those muscles because it thinks it has to. The process of change then comes from a degree of obsession about the change, clarity and focus on what we're working on, and repetition of the process. What you're doing is taking conscious control now of the motion. Straightening out.
Pretty darn good.
Right, so you can feel the shift. And it's the same process, mate. As soon as it's involuntary pulling, you've got to stop it. You go, no, I'm not doing that. So go with your...
That.
Yeah, right.
Oh, I can feel that already.
Right.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's miles better than it was.
Right. Right.
Yeah, that's a hell of a lot better.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It's pretty wild, isn't it?
It is. My word. My word. Look at that. Holy shit. Yeah, that's good. I haven't been able to do this for a long time, Greg. I've never been able to keep it steady enough, so I don't flip-flop all over the place now. I didn't have that sort of facility before.